This is Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. So what we've got here is the Gx630 30Ltrs at 200 bar. Now this machine has been built all the way through with stainless steel fittings. The reason being is this is actually being used running out off seawater. But that's not the thing I'm talking about really. As you'll see, it's all stainless steel. All the fittings going in, all the way through. Now, when you're running on your system throughout the season, you tend to find that you have a break at the Christmas period. What happens is at them periods of time, when you come back to get going again that next season, that machine's been sat doing nothing, water's not been running through the machine, things start to corrode inside the machine. You've got a turbo nozzle at the end, and what we tend to find also an unloader. The unloaders fail early on, and so do turbo nozzle. And what's simply happening is, if you look, there's a stainless steel fitting, and this is all stainless. Now what you've got to remember though is with stainless it's a lot more expensive with the fittings, but just on a fitting like that you'll see. So on the fittings, all the fittings all the way through, don't matter what you pay, if it's a steel fitting, slowly away it goes corrosive. You've got that crustation, and what simply happens is that's got to go somewhere and it comes out of the machine. What you should really do is run that machine for a minute or two without putting a hose, going to land on it for a good few hours, leave it running. Don't just plug it in and play, yeah, especially with a turbo nozzle, because turbo nozzle will just disintegrate with that dusty stuff going through it. You'll feel it, you'll see it on my finger. There's nothing to do about that. Like I say, the only way is, like I say, go stainless steel all the way through. Yes, it's a one-off buy. Stainless steel, it'll always be the same, but you won't get any faults the same way. Every year we have customers that buy the turbo nozzles, and that first turbo nozzle doesn't last very long, and the reason being is because the tub themselves are dusty inside, they've not cleaned them out properly, but also the actual steel fittings and everything else, all the fittings all the way through go slightly rusty, and that dirt that comes off there has got to go somewhere and it comes out. Just a little thought for everybody out there in the marketplace, might be an idea to buy once and once only, then having to change these fittings when they deteriorate. Thank you very much, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. And like I say, interpump, reduction gearbox, prime frost valve, dual feed setup, beautiful machine. Thank you very much, Q Services.